Good morning to all my dear children. Today again I welcome you back to our English online class. Today we are going to start from Communicate with Cambridge course book with Unit 3, Section B, Everest Reaction, page number 62. So this is Unit 3, that is Laughter the Best Medicine, with Section B, Everest Reaction, page number 62. The author of this story, or the writer of this story is R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was born on 10th October 1906 in Chennai. Now it's Chennai. In the previously it was Madras. Then it changed to Chennai. And he died at the age of 13th May 2001 in Chennai. So he, R.K. Narayan, the writer of this story, Everest Reactions. Now R.K. Narayan was a very famous author and writer. He had also been awarded with the Padma Bhushan Awards and many awards to him for his great work. He was one of the finest writer of India. So R.K. Narayan had written short stories on Malgudi days. You know, Malgudi days, when we were young, no, we used to see this short stories in the national channel. So you also can see this Malgudi days in YouTube. There are many small short stories is there in the Malgudi days. Then the English teacher, a guide, a horse and two ghosts. These are the few names I'm just showing you which he has written. R.K. Narayan, the famous author writer. He was basically from Madras South, right? He was also the member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Okay, now when we are talking about the chapter Everest Reaction, Everest, Mount Everest, the highest peak, right? And the height of this Mount Everest, students, is 29,029 feet. And to reach this, the two great personalities, two great famous, Sir Edmund Hillary and Sir Pat Tenzing. These are two persons who were the first to reach the Mount Everest to the height of 29,029 feet. And when they reached? In the year 1953, 29th May 1953, these two reached to the top of the tip of the Mount Everest. That is Himalaya range between the borders of China and Nepal. So this is a story how in that time, in olden days, when there was no TV, people used to hear the news from the radio. Okay, that time radio was, was very popular because that time very rare people had the television, right? And that too. So then this news came in the radio. There's these two, Sir Edmund Hillary and Sir Pat Tenzing, were the first to reach Mount Everest. Now, Sir Edmund Hillary, born on 20 July 1919 and died 11 Jan 2008, and when he died, he was the age of 88 years. Sir Edmund Hillary, born on 20 July 1919 and died 11 Jan 2008 at the age of 88. And the another personality, Sir Pat Tenzing, was born on 29th May 1914 and died 9th May 1986 at the age of 71. Right? So let's start the story. Everest Reaction by R.K. Narayan, the great famous writer, author of India. Now, before starting, there's a small what we call work for you I'm giving you. So when we hear the news, if I'm saying news, NEWS, N for north, E for east, W for west, S for south. North, east, west, south. Okay, when we hear the news, uh, there's some reactions or feelings that we can see on the face of the person of us. When we hear the good news, we get excited. When we hear something news bad or something, okay, then we feel sad. The reaction, the feelings, the emotions can be seen, right? In that, okay. So what you're going to do? You're going to work in pair, means you're going to work by yourself, and two pieces of sensational news. Sensational news means present something information in a very shocking or surprising way, okay, that you heard or read. I mean, any two news that you heard or read, okay, recently in just few days. So what news you heard, that you have to write, and what was your feeling when you heard the news. So this what I want you children to write the any two news which you have heard or which you have seen nowadays in the television, in the Aaj Tak, Republic India, and APB News or G News, whatever, and you have to reaction receive. What reaction you received? So that you have to write. Okay. So I was going to start the story. Sometimes even the most stupidest achievement draw the most unexpected reaction. Something which sometimes we feel that this news is not so important or not so okay, is the unexpected reactions in certain quarters. So then the reaction can be seen when Hillary and Tenzing finally reached the roof of the world. Roof means the top of the Mount Everest. People, okay, everyone was thrilled, excited, extremely happy, and excited about the event. The event was that these two people reached to the top of the Mount Everest. Everyone, alas, is my exclamatory explanation, feelings, reaction from the Thambi's family. So here he is a very one important character in the story. That is Thambi, who was just 12 years old. Thambi was the one who gave the news to everyone or to his family members. Thambi was the one who gave the news, the information to his family members that Hillary and Sherpa were the first to reach the Mount Everest. They have conquered, they have won that. Okay, so how he gave the news and what was the reaction of the other people, that we are going to know when we will read the story. Okay, now I'm going to start the story, children. Please be with me. I hope I want you to be with me. Take your textbook. You all have a textbook, so be with me on one. It was the youngest member of the household. Youngest, what I'm saying, is my superlative. See, now we're talking degree of comparison. Young, when there's no comparison. Younger, when there's comparison of two noun, two person, two thing. Youngest, more than two nouns. I'm the young boy of the class or of my family. He is younger to me, comparison. He is the youngest. So in the superlative, est comes. So Thambi is the youngest. Okay. Youngest of the household. Household means of the family members. Maybe they are family members. So he is one of the youngest boy, the member of the family. And now 12 years old. So Thambi, who was the youngest boy of the house, what was his age? 12 years old. Okay, he is the main character of the story. He is the one who gives the news to everyone. He had gone out little while earlier. Little while means just before entering the room again, just maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes he went out. Okay, earlier. It was his habit to go out and keep dashing in. The Thambis, he was like, his habit was to go out running, coming out in hurry. So he was like that. Okay, and when he entered this time, running, he gave a very thrilling news to everyone. So what was his habit of Thambi? That he he will come to his house with giving reports or news on different topics, like reports on cricket, and all this he reports or news he heard over the radio. Okay, so what was his habit? He would come out running in the house and then telling about something about the cricket news, scores. Okay, then flying saucer. Flying saucer means it's a round shaped craft that seems coming from another planet. It means all types of news he will give, and also accidents or other such matters. Means he is one who keeps the information of everything. छोटे से बड़े चीज का उसके पास जानकारी रहती है, वो जानकारी कलेक्ट करता है और घर में आके सबको बताता है कि आज क्रिकेट मैच हुआ था और यहाँ पर ये टीम ने ये स्कोर बनाया और वो हुआ, या हमारे सोसाइटी में या एरिया में कोई एक्सीडेंट हुआ या कोई जो फाइट अमंग दी, इस तरह की न्यूज वो कलेक्ट करके लाके घरों में बोलता था. ये उसकी हैबिट थी. और वो जब भी आता था, whenever he used to enter the room with running, dashing, speed करके आता था. Right? Now let's move to the another paragraph. Today he came in crying out. Crying out means रोते हुए नहीं आया, बल्कि खुशी से दौड़ते हुए आया. Okay, he came with crying out, hooray, hey, there's a good news. Okay, और दौड़ते हुए आया और बोला, the Everest has been conquered. Conquered means win. जीत गया. The Everest means Mount Everest. Okay, what is saying? The Everest has been conquered. Okay, so you can see this, they have reached the top. So it is using inverted commas. Now recently we have done the punctuation mark. So here when I am reading the story or when you are having the books in your hand, you can see the punctuation mark, students. Right? The first letter start with I, it. So it is in capital letter. Right? Then they are using a comma. Then they are using a full stop. So these are the punctuation marks which we have just now done in the grammar. So what I'm saying, today he came in running. He refers to the Thambi, 12 years old, the youngest member of the house. The Everest has been conquered, and with happy, with excitement, he's giving the news to the other members of the house, coming out, coming from out, and giving the news. They have reached the top. They over here means whom? Sir Edmund Hillary and Sir Per Tenzing. These two, they have reached to the top. See, they have done something tremendous, children. Right? They have reached to the top, and climbing the Mount Everest is not like a piece of cake. It is a really hard task, and lots of training, practice needs for that. So they have done it. Okay. So people thought he was joking. People thought, maybe other members, when he was giving news to everyone, that and he came running, hey, hello, अरे वो news सुना कि Hillary और Sir Per Tenzing, they have reached. तो ये न्यूज वो दौड़ते सबको दिया, तो सबको लगा, the other members को लगा कि वो मजाक कर रहा है, he is joking. Although generally an accurate reporter, like an accurate reporter, accurate मतलब perfect reporter की तरह उसने आगे न्यूज बोला. रिपोर्टर कौन होता है? जो रिपोर्ट करता है. जैसे टुडे when we see the news, there are reporters on the ground. They report everything which we see in the news. Okay, they keep reporting about all the events from bit to pin to plane. So like a reporter, he has given an accurate news, saying perhaps when he felt that people's interest living was flagging. Okay, flagging over here is become tired or restless. He saw the people are so tired or restless, they are not taking any interest. So to give interest to these people, so he gave a news coming from outside, that they have conquered. So their members were not so interested, or they were like lazy, or not having energy. He felt that he means Tambi. The people's interest in living as a flagging, he tried to rose, bring out the energy inside them, the house members, with the stories of dacoit or arson in the neighborhood, stories that would not bear a moment's scrutiny. Okay, so he used to come with different news all the time, so that the people or members should be energetic, or should be like active. Such tales means stories, would make the elders sit up and ask where he had heard them. So his job, his habit was always coming from outside and telling to their members of the family कि today something happened in the neighborhood. Someone has some people have come and stolen away something, or any news he comes with, and then they start inquiring and they start asking to him, and then the laziness or the inactiveness of the people changed to active, right? So, and ask where he had heard them and so forth, and they keep asking the question, कहाँ पर हुआ, किधर हुआ, किसके घर में हुआ. ये सब इंक्वायरीज आने लग जाते हैं जब ये इस तरह की न्यूज लाके वो घर में बोलता है, समाचार लाता है. तो लाइक दिस he also came with the news that they have conquered, they have reached to the top. So now they have asked where you have heard this, who told you, right? And the young man would away, pleased he had succeeded in stirring his elders from the topper. These seemed to be such an occasion. Thambi tried to run away from declaring the conquest. Then the young people, what they will do, they will, after they heard the news, Thambi was running here and then telling the news and everything. So the elders, बड़े लोग थे, जैसे सुना उसके हाथ पकड़ लिया और उसको हाथ पकड़ के रोका, रुको, सुना, खड़े रहो यहाँ पर, बताओ क्या हुआ. तब उसने बोला, then he said, Everest. Then Thambi tried to run away, but after declaring, जब उसने अनाउंस किया तंबी ने और बोला the conquest of the Everest, but he was caught by the wrist and explained. तो जैसे उसने बोल रहा था कि वो पहुंच गए ऊपर, माउंट में पहुंच गए, माउंट एवरेस्ट में पहुंच गए, वो वहां पर उन्होंने फतेह पा ली और दे जीत गए, दे वॉन. सो तब जब he was caught by wrist, ओके, उसे क्लाइव पकड़ी, रिस्ट पकड़ी और उसको बोला रुको. एंड देन ही वाज आस्क्ड टू एक्सप्लेन. उसको बोला एक्सप्लेन करने बोला, फर्स्ट थिंग, वेयर, हु टोल्ड यू अबाउट इट. वेयर इज अ इंट्रोगेटिव, आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. कहां, आपको किसने बोला, हु टोल्ड यू अबाउट इट. Got it over radio in the next house. Then he said that I have heard this news that these two, Edmund Hillary and Sarpan Tenzing, reached on the top of the Mount Everest. We heard through the radio. At that time, this story is many years back, when there was no TV and when there was no TV, and people's at that time, people had radio. Okay. So वहां पर उसने ये न्यूज सुनी. And then he says, then the Thambi says, got it over the radio in the next house. Got it मतलब न्यूज मुझे मिला, मेरे my neighbor, Thambi's neighbors, they might have the radio, they had a radio, and radio in the news, in Hindi news, they have heard this breaking news, this thrill news. Next house, how often have you been told to keep to your books and not loaf over the place in the sun? So his father, maybe his one member was saying that you have been told, you have been instructed not to loaf, not to roam here and there, not to scroll here and there, but sit with your books and study. And not, okay, I was studying all afternoon and went out only for a moment. But yes, the boy gave the reply, no, I was at home, I was doing my studies. But just few moments before I left the house to have a break or to get fresh, I went out, and when the moment he went out to his friend's house who had a radio, and there in that radio he heard the news. In the next house, what is wrong with our own radio? then his father or maybe his elder person saying, "Ki why you went to the other's house to get this news? Where is what happened to our radio? Where is the problem?" So students, I will take a pause over here. I will again be back with the same chapter. Okay, Everest reaction in our next class. So your task will be to read the chapter, go through the video properly, and you have to record your voice and read a passage and send it to me so that I want you to read any passage, read the first three paragraph and send it to me. So then I'll continue my story again. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, call me. Thank you and God bless you all.